Okay, we're going to create a proof sheet of our 60 favorite photos. You see here's our collection of 60 pictures, put in the ratings, and then we sorted them with the highest rating at first. What I like you to do first, though, is go up to Lightroom and choose Preferences, make sure Presets is chosen, and make a check mark next to Store Presets with this catalog. And go ahead and close that. Next, down here, you have one chosen out of all 60. Go ahead and choose Edit, select all, so all the pictures are chosen, and then go over to Print module. Print module here is that on the left side you'll see a number of different options and presets. Go ahead and choose a 511 landscape contact sheet if it isn't chosen already. You'll see all your pictures are on there, or most of them. What we want to do here, though, is that since they're not all on here, we're going to create a page grid. So we'll change this to 10 rows and 6 columns, so all 60 are on here. Next, we'll come down here where it says photo info. Whatever is written here next to photo info, click on the double arrows and choose Edit. Highlight whatever's on there and start with a clean slate. Type in your assignment number, 01, then put a hyphen. 01 is for the assignment. Then your last name, another hyphen. Find where the date is. The date should be YYMMDD. Go ahead and click on Insert for that and put another hyphen. And then look for the rating. If the rating's not on here, find it in another place. Here it is. And click on Insert. So we have all that info. Now we're going to save this as a preset. Type in your name, and click on Done. And OK, and then Done. And now you'll see everything is listed underneath that, all that info. Make sure your font size is no longer larger than 6. By the way, when you come to assignment number 2, this is what you'll do. Since you have a preset already made, click on your name and then come back up here and choose 01 and then change that to 02. Same thing with all the other assignments in a row. Just change the assignment number and click Done. So your preset will always be there under your name. Okay. Now, come down here where it says Print Job. Usually it's set to JPEG or to printer. Change this Print to JPEG file. Change your resolution to 150. JPEG file should be at quality at 90. And Adobe RGB profile. So that's all our information underneath here in our settings. Click the Print to File. Come down here to your external hard drive. I already have a folder already called Exported Photos. So that's all I'll put the pictures that I export out from Lightroom. Type in your assignment number, 01, and then dash, and then your last name. Of course, if it's assignment 2, you'll type in 02 in your last name. Now I'll click on Save. It's going to go into that Exported Photos folder. It's preparing the print job. It's going to come out here in a moment. I'll go ahead and go on over into my Exported Folders folder. And here it is. It should come up here in a moment. And there it is. And then I can open that up and I'll be able to read all the information I need to about your assignment and your thought process. Of course, some pictures are turned, the verticals are turned horizontal, but it still gives me an idea. All right, and then so be sure you hand in that with in the submission box for your assignment along with your select final image. Okay, thank you.